Let's get started.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the 2023 John Boat Series. Ace and I are here on tournament number 1. It's like 30 degrees, so I'm gonna put this camera down and hopefully catch some fish because it's cold. What's the water temp?
47 really.
47?
Yeah.
We can work with it. Let's go. Oh, there's a big one. Right on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Start with the old Damiki, I guess. Ho, ho, ho. Ho. Get up here. Ho. Dude, so many. What are they? I saw one of Billy's rods with an A-rig on it already. I was like, I'll borrow that for the day. Hope that's okay. Senor baits. I mean, a lot of that's bait. That looks like a bass though. Like 35, 40, yeah. How deep is he? 10?
Yeah, he's not very deep.
And you might be able to get him with a... He might need a +2. Come on, do it.
Oh.
Yep, here he comes. Oh, dude, I thought he had it. He was on that thing. He was fired up.
Did you see him right there?
Yeah. He turned on it fast. I don't think he was spooked by it. I think he was like trying to eat it.
Come on.
Yep. He come off?
Yeah.
Damn. Got one?
No, it's coming.
Come. Blade. Looks like a good one. Please be a 10-pounder. Where's it at? Yeah, I know it's heavy. It's pulling over.
Yeah.
That's a 4? 5? Hell yeah, Boogie.
That's it, it's 4.
He's 5, dude.
Huh?
I didn't bring a scale, but that's a good one. Spinnerbait? Nice catch, dude. Got him. Crappie.
Dude, that's a giant crappie. That's insane. Dude, he went wild over
That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Shoot.
I look back and I see him moving.
Big old crappie. Okay. Not as cool as Ace's. I thought we were going to be loading the boat with another 3+.
I know. Now that I know what a 2-pound crappie looks like.
Yeah, they look big. Yeah, what do you think it's going to take today, Ace? 30 pounds?
Yeah.
30 pounds? I don't know what to aim for.
Dude, that's definitely what it is.
Think so?
It's gotta be.
I think it's a big... I mean, it definitely looks like it's moving. Got him. That wasn't even the one on the bottom. That was one that was swimming towards it. It's a bass.
Is it?
Yeah. Keeper. It's not huge. It's
Bring her home, boy.
2.5, 3-pounder. Okay, we'll get that one that's on the bottom. Little blade action this morning. By the way, Ace and I haven't been out here since the classic, so we're flying blind, boys.
We're doing pretty good.
I'm happy with it. Gonna be a scope fest kind of day. Hopefully we can catch something. I mean, this is probably 3 pounds. I'll take it. Good fish. So we got 2 fish for about, I'm gonna say 8 pounds. I think yours is 5 and that one's 3. Good start. Big one out there. Chase one with the A-rig. How much clarity do we have? Let's see. A foot? Got about a foot. Right now. At least to my eyes, it looks like a foot. Try the old Ace rig. Oh, go right to it. Got him. Mm-hmm. Good one.
Huh?
Feels like a good one.
Bring her in here. Yeah. Oh, she's heavy.
4-pounder. Let's go, brother. Okay, get up front. Your turn. We just got to take turns. I know. I'm sorry.
Oh, dude, no,
It's
I
so
don't mind.
fun.
Throw the thing on the bottom, too.
Number 3. Dude, he's got like... He's all about it. Oh man, he was so suspended. He was in the middle of the water column. And I actually casted this like way short. It was way short. But he was swimming towards it. It just lined up perfectly. As soon as he saw it, it was all about it. That's easy 4. Easy 4. All right, fish number 3. 844. It's another 4 pounder. 12 pounds for 3. Keep it up.
It's the best when you run it over something like that and you just see something slowly coming.
Yeah. That was the goal there. I didn't see anything. I think that's a huge thing to do too. Yeah, just like throwing at cover.
Yeah.
And like wait and be like, well, there's probably something there. Just a nice little surprise when they come out. Is that close to you? You got one? Hell yeah. Good one? Huh? Huh? Keep. He was way up there shallow. I had to get that A-rig again, sorry. Oh, no scope ace boogie back here. Where's he at? Oop. Spin the bait.
Smallest?
I think that's the smallest. That's a good problem to have because that's a good fish. He's still 2 1/4 probably. Number 4, getting in there. Boogie's ripping around the Guggen spinnerbait. How shallow was that fish?
It was like,
See, like,
cast right where I cast it. Right
yeah.
there.
He hit it like right as it hit?
No.
Or did you? Okay.
Came over something.
I mean, we're sitting in 18 feet. That fish is probably at 6.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Huh?
47 degrees, and that was in like, dude, we caught that
6 feet.
4 or 5 pounders, you know, like 6 feet.
Thank God. Yeah, I know. Nuts. I would never think the fish that shallow. You ready? If we move? Where do we go?
Go up and try to find. Check that other standing point.
Yeah, I'm down with that. 137. Still got 4 fish. I'm gonna try fishing a little bit shallower. I think we've been fishing pretty deep most of the day. Not seeing what we need to see. So we're gonna take a look at some shallow wood. Hopefully find what we gotta find. We need 2 more fish. Try putting some out this way.
Huh?
There's like fish on that, on this point, like on the bottom. God, that is a good one. You do? The one I just missed. Oh, good. Take your time. Come on. That's the big dude. That might be a 7 pounder.
No.
Look how fat it is, dude.
Holy shit. It's definitely 6.
Yeah, he's at least 6, 6.5. Go a little shallower, we catch a freaking stud. Number 5, let's go, baby. Here, we might want to spend a little bit of time.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. Oh, we just caught a giant out of here.
I mean, I think that's 7 pounds.
You think it's 7?
I think it's 7. I'll say 6.5. I think it's 7, truly. The big old Colorado blade might be slowing that spinnerbait down,
Yeah.
making him eat. I didn't really think about that. Could be good. Let's catch another 5 or a 6. We won't be in the money, but we'll be close. So we got an hour and 20 minutes. Come on, one more fish, dude. I just saw a big one right there. Come on, do it. Got him. Oh wait. Yeah, he's on. That's a little crappie. Well, a big crappie. Look at that. And he ate 2 of them. God, I was stoked. That thing looked big. Should do a last second run somewhere?
Wouldn't mind running up somewhere towards Fountainhead.
Let's do that. We need one more. All right. Last cast. Tried.
Better than last year.
Mm-hmm. Better than most years' first tournament. Send it. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we got 5.
Where the big fish first?
Yeah, give me the big one. Huh? Give me the big one first.
No way. 734.
Oh my god. What? Wait, was it? No, one less. Point zero. You had 735, right?
No, it's the same 734.
It's still there.
It's still there.
It's exactly the same.
734.
Okay, so
Just split it, right?
Ace, you and what you call it got arm wrestle. Right here.
No way.
That's so funny. I thought it was 0.01 less.
Yeah, I did too.
Oop, beat.
That's a haul.
Tank, dude. So fat.
Time you see it.
Right?
Well, just took out the big one.
Yeah. 1632 plus the 7.
At 23 pounds?
I fit. That's awesome.
All right. Good work. Well, we finished up in second place with 5 fish. We just could not get our hands on fish number 6, but overall, pretty happy with it. I don't think there was a way to catch Maddie and Alex, who got first place with 31.70 pounds. Huge bag. We needed to upgrade way too many times and have a couple other fish. But we also tied big fish, which was 7.34 pounds on the dot. We tied it up. Ace tied it up with Matt. Pretty sick. Like, that's insane. So we caught our fish on A-rigs and spinnerbaits, and those I'm going to leave links down in the description below. You can get those over at acmtackle.com. And don't forget, I promised we are going to be keeping track of all of the tournament entries, fees, gas, literally everything that it's costing this season, and we're going to see where we end up. This did help me out a little bit after tournament number 1. Got me like $500 in the hole or something like that. So I spent $64 in gas. It was a $54 entry fee, and with a second place finish, I'm plus $195. So that brings us to a total of negative $444 in the hole after tournament number 2. Not too bad after the BFL. Fishing out of the big boat is like way, 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 way more expensive, but it is what it is. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. See you on the next one.